So this is a walkthrough of a dance called A-B Crying Shame, which is an absolute beginner dance. So I'm just going to turn my back on you. Leading right, stepping forward on the right foot, touch the left toe beside, step back on the left, touch the right toe beside, then walk forward, right, left, right, kick. Next section, walk back, left, right, left, touch, and then right side touch, left side touch. We'll just do that section one more time, so leading right, 7, 8. Forward touch, back touch, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side touch. We're going to take 2 steps to the right, which is also known as a slow chassé. So that's right side, together, side, touch. Same to the left, side, together, side, touch. Before we go any further, we'll just add that on. So leading right, 7, 8. Forward touch, back touch, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side touch, 2 steps or chassé, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch. To finish, it's just right step forward, scuff the left beside, and that's done with the heel. Step on the left, scuff the right forward, then step on the right, and you're just going to bounce your heels round to face the wall behind you. So that's bounce, more or less a half, another bounce, and then finish with another bounce, which takes you to the back wall. So with the count, leading right, forward touch, back touch, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So I hope you'll give it a go. Thank you for watching.